Welcome to Invisalign Cleaning Tips and Maintenance During Night. In this video, we're going to take a look at the procedure, the specific steps you need to take to clean your teeth. Okay, so the first thing you want to understand is that you want to take your trays and you want to put them in the water with the denture cleans and let them soak and clean. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your trays. So I'm going to take, in this case, I'm going to take my retainers, I'm going to drop it in the water like so. Okay, so they right now are in the water, and you want to take, denture cleans. Now I use Polydent. Okay, and you just take one tablet like this and you drop it in the water and you let it basically stay there for about 5 minutes until they basically get cleaned up and all the bacteria gets killed. Okay, so while these are getting cleaned, I'm going to talk about the next step. So that's the first step. The step number 2 is you want to take your natural toothpaste. So I recommend getting a natural toothpaste, or you can use the regular, but I recommend getting 2 different toothpastes. Okay, so this natural one, and you want to brush your teeth with a natural toothpaste. Okay, once you finish doing that, the next thing to do is to get your floss. Now my favorite is the Butter Weave by Gum. That's my favorite. Okay, so what I do is I floss top and bottom, okay, with these. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to brush your teeth again. Now this time you want to brush with a regular toothpaste, or you can use the same if you want. I prefer to use a regular toothpaste, and I like the Sensodyne because it cleans, it whitens, and it protects the enamel also. Okay, now this one has fluoride, this one does not. I know fluoride maybe not that good for you, but I do it only once a day. So other time of the day, I should say, I clean with this fluoride-free toothpaste. Okay, so the reason I do it is I found out that fluoride does help to kind of protect the teeth, because I tried without it and using the same thing, this toothpaste, the second time, okay, when I clean, and I found that the effects are better with this. Okay, my teeth look better, and it seems like less bacteria gets attached to it. Okay, so after you brush your teeth the second time, you're gonna floss the second time. Now you can floss with the same floss you used the first time, or you can use a different type of floss if you want. It's up to you, but the key is you gotta floss the second time again. Now once you do that, there is the last step is you're gonna have to apply some kind of killing bacteria, either mouthwash or coconut oil or something else. Now I recommend that you do not use Listerine. Okay, I find that your stomach gets upset and so on, even though this thing just has more fluoride in it. So you want to throw this out. Okay, throw that out, and instead what you want to do is you want to use the coconut oil. Okay, so this actually is a coconut oil, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to mix this up in the next video. In this video, we're gonna take a look at how to make coconut toothpaste specifically to use in your night procedure for your Invisalign treatment. Okay, and you want to take coconut oil, you want to take the baking soda together, and then I also gonna add some essential oils like a spearmint essential oil, and we're gonna mix it up in this container. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna have coconut toothpaste, okay, in this container, okay, which you're going to apply as the last step after the last flossing. So this coconut toothpaste is going to be your last step, and by that time your trays are already cleaned by the denture clean tablets. So what you're going to do is you're going to take them out, and so like let's say that so these guys, so once they clean, make sure that you wash them under cold water or lukewarm water, and when they're ready to go, Okay, you can even clean your toothbrush also if you want. Okay, but the last step, guys, is once your mouth is good, you're gonna take and apply this toothpaste, not too much, okay, and you clean it. And then after that, what you want to do, let it your mouth be for about 3 to 5 minutes. And what you're gonna notice is slowly it's going to dissipate the coconut oil with the baking soda. I must warn you that the first time you do it, okay, it's going to hurt, it will be very salty, and that's actually a good thing because it means the baking soda is helping to kill the bacteria in your mouth. And actually the coconut oil also has some kind of antibacterial properties that help the baking soda to kill the bacteria. Okay, now you can also add, we will add some Himalayan salt or real salt or anything you have to the mixture, so you're gonna have a more potent mixture when you clean your teeth. So once that happens and let it dry, you can go ahead and put your trays on. And when you put the trays on, don't forget to bite on your Chewies. If you're doing the procedure that I explained to you in my other videos, you're gonna have to do it for 7 minutes before you go to sleep. Now, of course, you can use the sticks that I showed you before. This is a gray one that I have. This is actually my favorite because they're harder and you can apply more pressure. I mean, you can do the same thing with the white big ones. It's just the feeling is a bit different. Okay, so go ahead and chew on your sticks for at least 7 minutes, okay, to move your tray into place, and then that'll help you to, be ready for sleep with everything got cleaned up, bacteria got killed, and you're ready to move the teeth in position during the night. Okay, so I'll see you in my coconut toothpaste video, and go ahead, leave some comments, share this video, give me some feedback, what you think, guys, about this, what do you need, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my other videos. Take care.